I'll show you how to schedule posts, manage multiple brands, and automate the approval process. I've been using Gain for 2 months, and this is a quick tutorial. Plus, there's a ton of unique features that truly make it one of my favorite post schedulers. Let's get started and show you just how easy it can be. I've recently been getting a lot of questions and comments about what is the best post scheduler to manage multiple clients or multiple brands, and I went on the search and found Gain. I absolutely love it. They have a lot of unique features, but all I ask of you in return is if you can go ahead and like this video, consider subscribing. It really helps me out and enables me to make more videos like this one in the future. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So click the first link in the description and this is going to pull up Gain. Now Gain markets itself as the best social media post planner to manage multiple clients and to automate approval processes. See, a lot of these post planners are relatively the same. Their unique differentiator is you can make suggested content as a social media manager, have it automatically sent to your client, they can approve it, and it's scheduled essentially. They have a 14-day free trial, so go ahead and click the try for free button. There's no credit card required. All you have to do is add your first name, your last name, your company name. So for us, let's go ahead and just put social media manager and an email and password, of course. Awesome. So this is going to open up our workspace. Now the workspace is every different client you intend to manage within Gain. So I manage Big Hammock Breweries, their social media page. I also have my own social media content. And then Kim, she's a real estate agent that we have her content in here. So what you can go ahead and see, which is really cool, you can differentiate by clicking each one of these. And here's all the content that Kim has scheduled to go out later this week. You can do the same thing by easily toggling to myself. Here's all the videos that I have coming out this week. And then Big Hammock as they talk about Taco Tuesdays and trivia and such. So what we want to do is show you how to create a workspace and kind of how easy it can be. So what you want to do is go up to the upper right and click New Workspace. Here, you got to give your workspace a name. So I'm going to add one for a new coffee shop business called Twin Oaks Coffee. And then you can add an image to the profile. Now this image is purely cosmetic. It's just for you in your interface to make it look a little bit more user-friendly. Now you get to the next part where you get to add your team members. So the team members up top are the ones who are going to be creating the content. So as a social media manager, I'm going to be creating the content. So I'm going to go ahead and add my name here. And then for the approvers, before I want this content to go out, I want it to be approved by the coffee company. So I'm going to put Twin Oaks Coffee, their email right here, and then go ahead and add their name. Awesome. So now we get to add the social media profiles for the coffee company. So this is what it's going to look like when you have all your different social media accounts logged in. I found the logging in process pretty easy on Gain, which is super awesome because some social media post planners are pretty difficult. So now if you look at our calendar, you can see it's blank because we didn't schedule any social media posts. It doesn't look like Kimberly's, for instance, that has all these different posts scheduled. So let's go ahead and automate our first social media post. So what we're going to want to do, go ahead and scroll to new content on the upper right. So here you're going to see all the different social media platforms you can automate posts for. Now let's say I want to create a reel and I want this reel to automatically come out on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Those are the big three that you traditionally look for. What I'm going to do is first click Instagram, and I'll show you how to duplicate this post for the other ones. It's really super simple. So once you're in Instagram, you can see you can automatically put photos and videos. You can also put a reel, or you can put an Instagram story. So let's go ahead and select a reel. Now you get to upload your video. So here's a video that I already had saved on my computer. So then we can go ahead and watch the video here by clicking play. And one of my favorite features on Gain is you can choose the thumbnail from the video itself. So if you go ahead and click select frame, let's say we want this image right here to be the thumbnail. We press save, and that's what someone's going to see before they click the video. Now, of course, our video needs a caption. So I'm going to go ahead and just drop a new caption in here. Let's put new roast, new vibes. Come taste the difference, right? We're marketing our new coffee roast. Now, my favorite feature above all is one, the ability to use smart hashtags. So they have an AI platform here. You can go ahead and ask it to do different things for you. What I like to do is go ahead and ask it to recommend the best hashtags that are going to get this in front of people's eyes for this post. So let's go ahead and put, give me the best 3 hashtags for this post. And it says new roast, new vibes, and coffee lovers. So we're going to go ahead and take those, drop them into the post, and now we have really good hashtags for our post. Now, my second favorite feature is the first comment. So there's a new trend in social media to get more engagement on your posts. If you post a comment that engages other people to go there and interact with it, it helps the algorithm see that people are engaging with the content itself. So you can simply put something in the first comment like if you love coffee. And now when you post this, it's automatically going to have this comment from you on the page itself. People can start engaging down there. And now the most important part is we got to schedule this post, right? So let's go ahead and pick a time. Let's do the first, and let's do 6:30 a.m. Coffee people are up pretty early, right? So now you can see this is scheduled, right? But it's only scheduled on Instagram. So what we can do is go ahead and select it, go to this one that says duplicate here. And now, really simply put, you can select all the other platforms that you also want this to be shown on. So let's go ahead, like we said, and select Facebook, and then we'll go and add TikTok. And we'll press duplicate, and now you can see all three of them are here. Now let's imagine we want to send this post to our client to automatically have it approved and posted. Because right now, these aren't approved by our client yet. So what we can do is select the post and select approval. And here you can do one of two things. One is you can simply just go add the name and the email of the person you want to send it to. So you can go ahead and select this like this, and that person will automatically get an email to approve it. Or you can automate this process. It takes about 30 seconds. We'll show you real quick. But what you could do is go ahead and say, for every post that I make for Twin Oaks Coffee, I want that post to be sent to Jane Doe, and when she approves it, it will automatically be scheduled for that future date. So then when you make this post, you select that approval workflow. You can also add a note to this like, hi Jane, here's the promo video we spoke about. Feel free to approve or add any feedback. Now we're gonna go ahead and press send. So what happens? So now your client is gonna get this automated email, and what's really cool is they don't need a Gain login at all. It's just simply two buttons to approve, right? So it says social media manager sent you content to review. That's our business title. And then it gives a quick preview of the content, and you can click view and reply, right? So now they can go ahead and see the post that you want them to approve. So they can simply go ahead and see our note. They can go ahead and see the caption, and they can watch the video, and it's all really smooth, which is great, right? Once they're done, you can scroll down and see that, hey, we also wanted this post to be on TikTok and Facebook, and if the client agrees, they can scroll to the top, select all of them, select approve, and this is an optional spot where they can add any comments back to the content creator who created the post in the first place. Now here, what's really awesome, without a login, your client can see all the scheduled posts that you have planned on Gain. So they don't need any login information, and they can see this in their screen. Now, what's really cool is once it's approved, you as the social media manager get a notification that your client approved the 3 items, and you can see the color change right here. The green is the approval, which means on the first, it's automatically going to be scheduled. So now you got to decide which pricing option is best for you, right? So before we look at these, if you like this video so far, please like it. It truly helps me out. And let's go ahead and look at these. So I personally use the starter package. And the reason I use the starter package is I manage less than 6 clients, right? So that means I can automate all the social media posts, an unlimited amount of posts for 6 different brands, essentially. Now, let's imagine you want to manage more than 6 clients. I would go ahead and do the agency one. It's the most popular, and you can manage up to 12 different workspaces, which is a client in that plan itself. Now, let's imagine you're just killing it. You have all the clients in the world. If you use the agency premium, that allows you to go up to 30 different workspaces, which is a killer deal for that rate, essentially. Now, let's imagine you need help getting clients. If that's the case, I will watch this video on how to make a digital business card. It's our most popular video on the channel that shows people how to gain more of an audience and how to share their information really quickly. So go ahead and check that out. And if you found this video helpful, I need your help with 3 simple things. Number 1, like this video if you enjoyed it. Number 2, consider subscribing if you like to stay up to date on all things AI, business, and tech. And number 3, go watch that video on how to make a digital business card. I know you'll find it valuable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.